Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes as the hero of this powerful smartphone lineup with high-end specifications and some top-of-the-line features. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is available in 4 unique colors: gold silver, flying sky blue, feathers white, and in cream black. It measures 8.25 mm and weight around 226 grams. Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with a supersonic camera system consisting of 50 megapixel primary camera, 40 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 48 megapixel super focus macro telephoto camera, and a 1.5 megapixel multispectral sensor. The smartphone supports 4x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. Mate 70 Pro Plus has a 13 megapixel front camera and a 3D depth camera sensor on the front face. The Mate 70 Pro Plus sports a LTP OLED touchscreen display with 6.9 inches big screen size and Full HD Plus resolution of 1316 by 2882 pixels with refresh rate of 120 Hz, 1440 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with Harmony OS 4.3 and equipped with Kirin 9200 chipset paired with the Mylion 9200 GPU. The RAM is 16 GB and two storage versions, 512 GB and 1 TB. The phone packs a 5700 mAh battery that could recharge with a 100-watt super fast charger. It also supports 80-watt wireless super fast charging. Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus brings some new satellite features. The tech giant has introduced a new paging feature for the satellite calls. It keeps the user online and sends reminders about satellite messages without the need for satellite alignment. Talk about the price. Mate 70 Pro Plus 16 GB of RAM plus 512 GB of storage. Price is $1,173 US plus 1 GB of storage. Price is $1,312 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.